Hello everyone, hope all of you are having a pleasant day. So today in this session we are about to discuss the topic strings. So okay, let us begin. Like to see initially what is string. So string is a sequence of characters, right? String is a sequence of characters and string can be created using either single, double or triple quotations. So let us see how we can do this by how we can create the string using single, double and triple quotations. Okay, so let us mention first single is equals to uh, let me mention something like hello. Okay, so this is one string created using a single quotations. Now for example double string is equals to, using double quotations we will create something. So let us mention here Henry. Okay, and let us mention triple string, how to create triple string using triple quotations. So for triple quotations I have pressed single quotation two times. Okay, once you press the single quotations two times you will get this triple quotation mark. And let me mention here something as Western. Okay, cleared? So this is how you create single, double and triple quotation string, right? Now let us remove this and let us do indexing of strings and slicing of strings. These are the next topic we will see in the string part, which is indexing and slicing of strings. So let us write something as text equals to, okay, let's mention this in double quotations and let's mention as welcome to Switzerland, something like this, right? And then to measure the length of the string, let us, okay, length value, length text, print length value, print something like text, then just mention here as text, and then you can mention, suppose, so this is indexing. What we are doing is indexing, right? So what we have done here is we have first assigned a string. Okay, we have created a string initially, then we are measuring the length of the string. So for that we are using length function, and then we have mentioned the string here and then length value, and we are trying to print that value, that what is the value of that, what is the length of the string. Okay, now in the next part we are trying to retrieve the fourth character from the string. Okay, this one, and then the print again, and then we will be writing text and it will be -2. And now just let us run and see like what is the output we get. Now let us get the output. Text is this. Okay, so the length of the text is 22, which is being printed. Then retrieve the fourth character. So how to see like which is the fourth character? So right from this side it will start from 0. So 0, 1, then L will be 2, then C will be 3 and O will be 4th. Okay, so if you want to retrieve the fourth character, then it will be O, right? Then from this end, let this end the string will be coming, like how we will count the string, or how is the indexing of the string. D is -1, N is -2, A is -3, L is -4, R is -5, E is -6, Z is -7, T is minus 8, I is minus 9, W is minus 10, S is minus 11, space is minus 12, O is minus 13, T is minus 14, space is minus 15, E is minus 16, 7 is minus 18, like that. And from here it will be starting from 0. From W it will be starting from 0. So when you try to retrieve the character as minus 2, it will be N. Okay, this is N, right? And when you try to retrieve the character 23, so as the string is 22, there is no character present at 23. The string length is only 22. So this will give you string index out of range. Error. Cleared this much? Now I'm just commenting this out. Okay, I'm just commenting this out because I don't need this. Yeah. Cleared? Now let us mention slicing. Okay, string slicing. Print text, and here you will mention 2:5. 2:5. Print text. Minus 10 is to minus 2. And then print again text, and what it will print here is 2 this. Now what we are doing here is we are doing string slicing. String slicing in the sense we want to retrieve a substring from a string, right? We are trying to retrieve a substring from the string value. So let's see how to do this. Okay, text 2:5, 0, 1, 2. So write from L till the position 4, LCOM. Okay, LCOM will be retrieved. Why? Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, LC 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. LCO will be retrieved. M is at the 5th position, right? So what happens here is when you are mentioning 2:5, 5, like the 5th character will not be retrieved. Only from 2nd position till 4th position the characters are being retrieved. Why? Because string eliminates this 5th. Like when we do the slicing, we put one character ahead. Like whatever the substring we want to retrieve, we put one character ahead of it, okay, to retrieve that particular substring. Similar case go with here, and similarly it goes with here too. So this will print the entire string right from starting till 4th character, but will not include 5th one. And this will print the entire string right starting from 2nd character till the end, till the entire string. Okay, now let us execute this and just check out the output, that what it is giving the output. Yeah, so you can clearly see that this is our string welcome to Switzerland, and we are retrieving here 2:5. 2:5 in the sense, let us count. W is 0, E is 1, L is 2. So it started from 2 like L, then C is 3, O is 4, and M is 5. So M is 5, so M will be removed and it will print right from 2 to 4. So LCO is printed in this output. Similarly for minus 10 is to minus 2, it is printing, okay, minus 10 to minus 2. So let us count from here. D is minus 1, minus 2 is N. Okay, minus 2 is N, so N will not be printed. Okay, the second part N will not be printed. Then A is minus 3, L is minus 4, R is minus 5, E is minus 6, Z is minus 7, T is minus 8. T is minus 8, I is minus 9, and W is minus 10. So from W to A it will be printed. and is to 5 in the sense, right, starting from position W, that is 0. So all the first 4 characters, like first 5 characters will be printed starting from 0 to 4. Okay? Now 2 from second position, it will print the entire string. Cleared? Now let us comment this out. Enter. Let us write text is equals to welcome to Boston. Okay, welcome to Boston. Mention, print here, print this, let's print this text. Okay, and just execute it. Run. So welcome to Boston is printed. Now let us do what we have to do is, I will just mention here delete the text, and then let's try to print it. Okay, delete the text and run and just see what happens here. So now it is saying that text is not defined, like there is no text exist here because the text is now deleted, and when we try to print it, it is giving us the error that text is not defined. So this is how you delete a string. I'm commenting this out. Now what we can check is, let us see how to change string, like how to change the string, what changes we can make in the string. Okay, let us see lower and upper ones where we convert the characters to lowercase or uppercase, right? So for example, text is equals to, let us write here something as welcome to Costa Rica. So when I write welcome to Costa Rica, and if I want to make that string as, if I want to make that string into lowercase, then just see, let me write here lowercase is equals to text dot lower and print lower in this way, comma, lowercase, enter. Welcome to Costa Rica. So you can see all the capital letters are made into lower cases, right? All the capital letters are made into lower cases. Now let us replace this lowercase to uppercase. Okay, uppercase, and let us check that. Here also let us mention as upper, 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 and here mention as UPPER. And now let us run it. Okay, let us run it, and you can see that entire string is printed into uppercase. Cleared? Now for example, if I want to mention, let me use, okay, let us use this function which is title keys. Okay, let us see what happens with this. Basically I also don't remember this function, but okay, we will discuss this. At least we will execute and see what happens. Even I didn't remember this function. What happens with this, the string will be made into title part, but we will see how it looks in the output. Okay, run without debugging, and when you run without debugging, So you can see the title, it becomes like this, like the first for each words when we apply title, the first character is capitalized, okay, when we apply title. Okay, okay. So all right, I will just make it as hash. Okay, we will just comment it out. When we apply title, it becomes capitalized. Now let us see this function to swap case. Swap cased is equals to text dot swap swap cased. So run without debugging. So when you do swap cased, what is happening here? You can just simply see. Initially, I applied whatever this is there, right? So what is happening? Like the string was W was present as in uppercase, C and R was present in capitalized letter. So that has become small, and the smaller ones which were present in lowercase have been capitalized. So that is what swap case do. It just swap the cases for each characters in the string. If it is lower, it will capitalize. If it is capital, it will lower it, right? And case fold, and I just want to see so now you can just see up here, you can mention as case folded. Okay, I have not changed the screen. Case folded, and just run this, run without debugging. So welcome to Costa Rica. Case folded in the sense, what is happening here? What is happening for case folded? Once you apply this function case folded, even I don't know these functions, like even I have been through this for the first time. So but these functions were something new, hence we are discussing it. And you can just simply see, when I apply this case fold function, all the letters have been lowered. Okay, all the letters have been lowered, because what is the function of this case fold? It returns a version of the string suitable for caseless comparisons. So it becomes caseless. Take a case folded in the sense it becomes caseless. And what is about this title function? Title function returns a version of where each word is title cased. More specifically, words start with uppercase characters and all remaining characters have lowercase. Cool. And let us also check what happens with this swap case functions. So in the swap case, convert uppercase characters to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. It just swap the cases, vice versa. Right? So I hope these things are clear to you, and this is all we have discussed about strings. And I just hope you have learned something new into it. Okay, let us discuss this function too, right? Let us discuss one more function here called as what to call this function? Capitalized is equals to text dot capitalize and completed, right? And then it will be So only the first is capitalized, right? Only welcome, which is the first character of the entire string, is being capitalized, rather rest of them are made smaller. So let us check the capitalized. Returns the capitalized version of the string. More specifically, make the first character have uppercase and the rest lowercase. Only the first character will have uppercase, rest will be converted to the lowercase characters. So this is how we have like learned more of the things about strings, right? I think these things are fine for you. Okay, so let us meet in next video where we will be discussing about list and tuples. Okay, we will see list and tuples as the next topic. That's it. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.